Let's see question number 4. So identify terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. So let's see. 1 y square x plus y. So we identify here coefficient of x. So here x in the expression here y square x which contain here x. So coefficient of x here, coefficient of x coefficient is y square, x coefficient is y square. Then second second 13 y square minus 8 y x. So in this expression this term contain x. So here write coefficient of x. So here coefficient of x is minus 8y, minus 8y. Then write here third x plus y plus 2. So here this term contain x. So here no number means here present 1. So here coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of x is 1. Then write fourth is 5 plus z plus z square. So here no any one term contain x. Wait 1 minute. Here x, z x not z square, sorry. Here 5 plus z x, here x. So here this term contain x means here coefficient of x is z. Coefficient of x is z. Let's see next. Fifth one plus x plus x y. So in this term here present x and here also present x. So here x coefficient is 1 and x coefficient is y. Means here two coefficient, one is 1 and y respectively, because here two terms contain x. So this x coefficient is 1 and this term coefficient is y. Then write here 6 12 x y square plus 25. So here this term contain x. So here coefficient of x is 12 y square. Coefficient of x is 12 y square. 12 y square is a coefficient of x. Then see here, next 7x plus x y square. So here two terms contain x. One is 7x and another is x y square. So see here, coefficient of x here 7 and here y square. Means here two coefficient of x, one is 7 and y square respectively. Okay. Then see question number B. Identify terms which contain y square and give the coefficient of y square. Here identify coefficient of y square. Okay. So see here 8 minus x y square. See here y square. So y square coefficient is x. Y square coefficient is x. Including this minus sign means y square coefficient is minus x. Okay. Y square coefficient is minus x. Then see second, this 5 y square plus 7x. So right here y square coefficient. So here y square coefficient is 5. Y square coefficient is 5. Okay. Then see here third 2 x square y minus 15x y square plus 7 y square. So see here which term contain y square. Here y square 2x y square, then here also y square and here also, means here three terms. Wait one minute, only y square asking. Okay, so here not, here y square and here y square. Okay, so right here coefficient. So y square coefficient is minus 15x, then here 7. So here y square coefficient is minus 15x and 7 respectively. So in this way find coefficient of x and y square. Then see question number 5. Classify into monomials, binomials and trinomials. This term classify monomials, binomials and trinomials. So see here question 1, 4y minus 7z. This is the expression 4y minus 7z. So this is a binomial expression. Because here contain two terms. This is 1 and this is second. So here 4y and 7 Z means these terms, two terms are unlike terms 4y and yz, because here variable are different, here y and here z. It means that here these two terms are unlike terms, and this expression is called binomial expression. Then C second is y square. This is first, then second is y square. So in this expression only contain one term, so it's called monomial expression. Okay, it's called monomial expression. Then third, x plus y minus xy. So here contain three terms 1, 2 and 3. So this is a trinomial expression. Trinomial expression because here contain three terms. And three terms are unlike term. Okay, here contain x, here y and here xy. Means three terms are unlike. Then see next 400. So this is a monomial expression because here contain only one term. Then fifth, AB minus A minus B. This is a trinomial expression because here contain three terms. This is 1, 2 and 3. Contain three terms. That's why this expression is trinomial expression. Then next 6 5 minus 3t. 5 minus 3t. So this expression is called binomial expression because here contain two terms 1 and 2. Then next 7 number 4 p square q minus 4 p q square. So this is a binomial expression because here contain two terms. Here contain two terms 1 and 2. So expression is called binomial expression. Then next 7mn. This is a monomial expression because here contain only one term. Then next z square minus 3z plus 8. So this is a trinomial expression because here contain three terms 1, 2 and 3. This is the trinomial expression. Then see next 10 number a square plus b square. A square plus b square. So this is a binomial expression. Binomial expression because here contain two terms 1 and 2. Then see next z square plus z. Here contain also two terms means this is also binomial expression. Then last 1 plus x square. So this is a trinomial expression because here contain three terms 1, 2 and 3. So in this way you find out which term monomials, binomials and trinomials. So those terms contain only one term, so it's called monomials. Then those terms contain two terms, so it's called binomials. And those terms contain three terms, so it's called trinomials. Okay.